Trouble with SIM failure? Here's a fix. Let's start with airplane mode. For this, swipe down from the top right corner to open the control center. Now look for the airplane icon and click on it to activate. After that, wait for a few seconds, then tap on it to turn off. If this method does not solve the issue, then try. Check for carrier update. To do this, open the Settings app and click on the Cellular option. Now, wait for a few seconds. If you have any carrier update, then update it. If this step does not resolve the issue, then try Remove and Reinsert SIM. Look at the sides of the phone and look for the SIM slotter. Now take an ejector and press slightly in the hole. The SIM tray will pop out, remove it, and again place it in the slot. If this method does not work, then try Force Restart, press and release the volume up button, and press and release the volume down button. Now, press and hold the side button until the Apple logo appears. Then release the side buttons and your phone will restart shortly. After restarting your device, check if it is solved or not. If not, then try Reset Network Settings. Go to the Settings app. Now scroll down and tap on General. Again, scroll to the bottom and click on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Next, at the bottom, tap on Reset. A few options will appear. Click on Reset Network Settings. A pop-up will appear. Tap on Reset Network Settings to confirm. After restarting, check whether the problem is solved or not. This might fix the issue, and that's it.